Hello everyone. Let's learn today how to use rank functionality in Excel. So here is a list of crops with their respective percentage of production. We'll rank it as per the percentage production. Just use the formula equal to rank. Start with the number which you want to compare with the reference list. Is this one and just close the bracket. Just press it. If you bring it down, you get the respective rank. It shows that vegetables is in highest percentage of production. Now let's take another example where you to arrange the list as per descending and ascending order. So we'll use the formula rank, the number which you want to compare with the reference cells. Is it? Now when you press comma, you will get an option for descending and ascending. If you want descending, just press 0, close it. Similarly, copy the same formula to the ascending cell and just replace it with 1 in place of 0. You will get the ascending order and just pull it down. Hence you can see the list is arranged as per the ascending and descending order. Thanks for watching.